find myself saying, here we are, someplace, well, at least didn't expect to be here, but hey, this is fun. I'm being adventurous, curious. It's going to be that day that we're going to do this with childlike wonder, and we're going to be safe, but just enjoy ourselves and play and sing and laugh and dance and bring our joy about, because really, we give ourselves permission to do that. This is what life is all about. Being yourself, coming to those crossroads and those bridges, and wondering if we're going to step forward and we're going to see what comes of it, trusting in the unknown. And as we step forward and we begin to cross those bridges, we know, we trust, we understand. We take in the beauty of all the things we see and go, man, this is what we've been missing. All that hardship and that misery, that fear, that doubt that was holding us back. And this is what we were missing. Oh, look, something swimming down there. That's cool. And just take it in. The beauty of the nature. The stuff that we don't normally see in our day-to-day life. The grocery stores. The shopping we have to do for our family. The things that we do. We'll keep enjoying ourselves. Oh, and butterfly for confirmation. We trust, we know that God's got our back. That we're protected, we're safe. And just remember, just keep stepping forward in your joy, and your peace, and your happiness. And look, and down at the end, on the other side of the bridge, would be my beautiful, beautiful daughter who has stood by me for so long. And she understands. And sometimes, well, she's just, we all have our lives. But she has been such a blessing. And I just wanted to let y'all know today, it's okay to sing, to be happy, to be joyful, and blessed that we have, oh, look, mango bites. Chocolate-covered mango bites. Yummy. And no, this is not an advertisement. This just happens to be a grocery shopping. And a stoppage. So, in love and light, let's live our life in the moment, and happiness, joy, dancing in the sunlight, and singing our way through each and every moment, even if it's quiet and it's in your head and you're dancing and nobody understands. It's okay to be misunderstood. It happens, but that's us. So be you, be loved, and in love and light, it is done, it is done, it is done. So mote it be.